Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I am super excited to bring you my unboxing and on-feet review of the new collaboration between Disney, featuring Mickey Mouse, and Adidas. This is the Adidas Mickey Mouse Superstar. Let's go. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We do constant giveaways. In fact, we are about to draw the winners for the Realme True Wireless earphones as well as the Realme smartphone. So make sure that you guys are subscribed, follow me on Instagram, join our Facebook community, and then click the links in the description box to check out the rest of the mechanics. Good luck. Before we get to the main event, which is the Mickey Mouse Adidas Superstar, let me just tell you about where I got this. So I dropped by Seoul Academy over at BGC, and they had like a great selection of new colorways of the Superstar. So obviously this was the one that I picked up, which was the Adidas Mickey Mouse, but there was also like city packs. One had like Tokyo written at the back, one had, I think, New York written at the back, color blue, and then there was some sort of like hologram thing going on. So if you tilt it a certain way, Chinese characters would appear instead of the, well, Tokyo or New York. And the stripes along the side were also pretty cool. On the external side, it would be like all white. Then there would be an accent color on the medial side to give it a little bit more personality and extra oomph. So those were two of the city pack, I think, like Superstars. We also saw what I felt like, I cannot confirm, it was like the Chinese New Year Superstar. So black upper, nice leather quality, accents of red paint, what looked like red paint in different colors along the stripes and at the back, gold Adidas emblem at the back of the heel, and then you have the white shell toe, of course, which is the signature of the Superstar sneaker. So those three sneakers plus this one were available sitting over at Seoul Academy. So if you are looking for Superstars, that's the place where you should go to. They also had like the Ultra Boost 20 city pack. So they had several cities from Sydney, Taiwan. They also had like Singapore, Hong Kong, so a variety of great Ultra Boosts. If any of the colors or the cities mean anything to you guys, you might want to check those out. So those were just some of the new Adidas sneakers that I saw sitting over at Seoul Academy BGC. Make sure that you guys check them out. Anyway, with that out of the way, let's get to the main event, which is our unboxing and on-feet review of this sneaker. Now, as you can see, you have Mickey Mouse printed at the top of the box. You have Adidas and Disney along the side. Now, if you take a look at the size, I did a full size up, and that's what I usually do when it comes to Superstars because the midfoot area is kind of tight. So I need that a little bit open for my wide feet. And the biggest issue I have with it is already plastered over here. It's the price. This is 7,000 pesos for an Adidas Superstar. So you're basically paying all of the extra money to this guy. He's the he's the one taking the cash, because Superstars usually sell for like less than 5,000. So the 50% additional that you pay for goes to Mickey Mouse. But anyway, so that's the biggest issue with this shoe. It's the price at 7,000 for a Superstar. So makes you want to scratch your head. But anyway, if you pop the box open, this is what the sneaker looks like, and immediately you can see what is so Mickey Mouse about it. Let's take the sneakers out of the box. Ba-bam! Now, the design on the left sneaker is different from the right, so we'll go over one shoe at a time, and let's start it out with the left sneaker. For the left sneaker, on the lateral side, you have the print of Mickey Mouse over here, very similar to the print that you saw on the box. You have a short inscription over here as well, which reads, "Sorry, I'm out of office, best Mickey." And then the next branding is, if you take a look at the insole, it has the Disney logo together with the Adidas logo. The Adidas emblem at the back of the heel is red to match, of course, Mickey Mouse. And then everything else is your typical Superstar, but with, I think, better quality leather. So if you, it's the classic design. I mean, you have the shell toe over here. You have the three stripes with jagged edges along the lateral and the medial side. Even the tongue tab basically says Adidas, and then you have the trefoil logo. So it's pretty much the same Superstar with better quality quality materials, and well, Mickey Mouse along the lateral side and that inscription along the medial side. Now, if you take a look at the right sneaker, the print is different because it's his lower half, the lower half of his body. So I think this is what it should look like. So if you put it one on top of the other, maybe something like that. So you have Mickey Mouse with his shorts, with his yellow shoes, the buttons on his shorts, which I could never understand what was the reason for it. And then of course you have his white gloves. You have the Superstar branding, you have the Adidas logo at the back, the same design, no inscription on the medial side on this pair though. So it's only on the left pair. How is the sneaker on feet? Well, it is pretty much your typical Adidas Superstar. It's not the most comfortable sneaker you can buy. It's not the most, you know, the best cushioning ever for a white sneaker. But yeah, if you're a fan of Mickey Mouse, if you love the play of colors between red and white, the contrast, the pop that you get with this one, then this is probably something that might interest you. Obviously, this is a sneaker for Mickey Mouse fans who are a little bit older. And it's not something that's actually kind of easy to wear because the Mickey Mouse design really screams. I mean, you cannot escape it. One look and you see it's Mickey Mouse. So you better have the personality and the style to be able to match the look of the shoe. Otherwise, you risk looking like what we call in Filipino a bonjing. So what's the English of bonjing? Do you guys know what the English of bonjing is? Please do let everybody else know in the comment section what is the English of bonjing. Maybe childish? I don't know. You guys figure it out and let me know in the comment section. But you guys understand my point. It takes a certain style. It takes a certain type of style and personality to be able to pull off sneakers like this, especially if you are a certain age. Okay, guys? If you want to pick one up, they are available already again over at Soul Academy, and we did see the bag, the Mickey Mouse Adidas body bag, sitting over at Adidas at BGC Uptown Mall. They also had the Mickey Mouse cap. So you can buy the sneakers from Soul Academy, then you can head on over to Adidas over at Uptown Mall if you want to get the bag. The bag actually looked nice. The yellow buckle gave it a little bit more pop, and the print of Mickey was just nice, and then the black canvas material was also pretty sick. They also had the cap, which was pretty cool. So the bag I think sold for a little over 2,000 pesos. So if you don't want the shoe, but if you want something within the collection that's a little bit more affordable, you might want to opt for the bag instead. Now, I'll set these shoes aside first and then talk about what you can expect in the next vlog because it is actually connected to this video. Now, after going over to Soul Academy, I actually dropped by to Nike over, well, just across Soul Academy over at BGC, and they had a great selection of new sneakers sitting over there. So it's been a while since I went to BGC, so I wasn't expecting much, but I was really blown away with the selection of the sneakers that Nike had. Apparently, they recently launched like a new lineup of running and performance sneakers that one I eventually picked up, which is the Nike Infinity Run. So I saw a lot of your comments asking me to do a review about it, to talk about that sneaker, to give it a shot, and I'm happy to share with you that I actually picked up the shoe. So we have it here at home. I have it still in the box. I will be doing like an unboxing in the coming days. I'll be putting it on feet and we'll be doing like the full review treatment for you all in the coming days ahead. Apart from the Infinity React, they also had like a bunch of new there was like a new training sneaker which was kind of interesting for HIIT training. So I actually want to get that and try it out. I have been going back to the gym, so I want to see if it works because it looks hella crazy. I mean, it looks so different compared to your normal shoe that it just made me scratch my head if it's worth like checking out or testing. So that definitely got me interested. And of course, you had a great selection of basketball sneakers from Jordan brand all the way up to your typical, or well, your LeBrons and your Kyries. Lots of new designs for the Kyrie sitting on shelves that was fascinating to see as well. So watch out for my Nike vlog. That should be coming really soon, maybe tomorrow or the day after that. Just make sure to watch out for it. That actually wraps up our vlog for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to join our Facebook community. Don't forget to join the contest, the raffle that we're doing. I am going to draw the winner this Friday. I am publishing this, I think, on a Tuesday, so you have a couple more days left before we draw the winner for the Realme True Wireless earphones as well as the Realme smartphone. They're actually over there. That's the yellow box. Those are the yellow box boxes in front of the Infinity Gauntlet that you see at the back. So we will be drawing the winners for both items very soon. And to those who are asking who won the sneaker of your choice in your size from Commonwealth, I did post the winner over at our Facebook group. So if you haven't joined the Facebook group yet, you have to join the Facebook group, because that's moving forward, that's where I will announce all the winners of our, well, giveaways. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our video for today. As usual, peace, God bless, what's up, boom.